And now we are moving on with something interesting. Okay, it's coming in your way.
Okay.
Okay, and you need to be very, 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 very spontaneous in doing that.
I get
So
scared
are
of
you all
this.
ready?
I get scared of this.
I am ready.
Excited,
Yes.
ready, and at the same time, little bit nervous.
Nervous.
Okay, let's go ahead.
Yes, sure.
Alright, so now we are starting with our acting game.
Oh,
So, are you all ready?
yes.
Can you see something here?
Phone.
There's a
See
phone. So that's going to be
glasses,
your
yeah.
phone.
Oh, my
Okay?
phone.
And who will start first? Who should I start with, you or your daughter?
You tell me. Anything.
Anything's fine.
Upon you?
Okay, fine.
Okay. Your theme will be तुझे चिड़वाक सोयरी कहता.
Oh,
You need to pretend, get in that character,
Yeah.
and you need to talk to your daughter on the phone. You need to assume that on the phone your
Yeah.
daughter is talking to you.
oh,
Okay? So you need to get her answer. You will get 1 minute.
oh, done.
Okay? So take the phone. No, 1 second. You need to start how the phone rings. Take the. You need to give the tone
Ah,
and everything. Phone bon zala. Tadan tadan bon. Okay?
start.
So start. So your time starts now.
Tring, 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 tring. Oh, phone. Oh, it's you. Ah, my baby. Hello, Baba. Hello, Ashmit. Raja, are you free? I want to talk to you. Something very important, something very serious, something about nice, lovely things which I've been waiting for. Baba, एक बड़ी proposal ले लिया. Are you listening? Hello? Ah, okay. He's handsome, tall, decent. Oh, yeah. So, education. Okay, he's well qualified. And what else do you need? You want to see him? Okay. And what else? Okay. You're ready to marry, but you want time, you want space, you want to see the boy, you want to go out with him, you want to talk to him. That's fine, yeah.
All right,
Of
your
course.
time's up. Done. Is this the way you're going to react?
Yes.
Yeah.
Same way.
This is how I actually react. I'll ask her multiple questions actually whenever she'll come up with something like this.
First think about education.
Education.
Nice. Okay,
Rest of
moving on
thing,
to
yeah.
Ashmeet now.
Okay.
It's your turn. Your theme will be ration. Garakode ration, groceries, sagle kaba zala. You're going to the shop. You're calling your mama what all you need. Okay? So are you ready for it?
Okay.
Your time starts now.
Hello, Mama. Yeah, I've come to the grocery store. What do you need? Tell me faster. Sugar? Arey, it is there now on top over there. It is there. I will tell you where it is. Huh. What else? Onions. Okay, fine. How much onion you need? Mama, that and all I don't know, okay. Potato? Okay, fine. I'm buying some Nutella also. You want? Big jar. Big jar I'm buying. Okay. Chocolates? Silk. Hazelnut. Okay, fine. Okay. Groceries, you tell me, Mama. What do you want groceries mein? Cadbury I'm buying, Mama. What else do you need? Okay, fine. Ice cream also I will get. Okay, chalo, bye. Done.
Before 1 minute, you finished it off, man. Are you trying to tell a grocery item or the shopping for chocolate?
This is what we actually do.
Normally she does. Forget about grocery item, the chocolates, Nutella, all
This
those
is what
things
we do.
stop.
So we go grocery
dumb.
shopping and we end up buying all this. Then my dad has to go and actually buy the actual grocery.
My
which is
God,
there.
yeah, mother, daughter, duo. Wonderful. Okay.